Alright, this is the Chapter 3 review test. So we're going to go over one page at a time and do a video. I'll do a video for each of these pages. So the first problem on this page is Erin puts 3 small cans, 4 medium cans, and 5 large cans on a shelf. How many cans does she put on the shelf? So let's look at the problem, and the question says, how many cans does she put on the shelf? So we want to know a total of cans. And we see that she has 3, and what does 3 represent? The small cans. She has 4, and the 4 represents the medium cans, and she has 5 large cans. So how many does she have on the shelf? So we're going to work the problem 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals blank. That's what we want to know. You can work this problem in any order. You can say 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 5 is 12, or you can say 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 3 is 12. That's the commutative property. You don't have to know that name, but that's what it is. So 3 plus 4, I can come down and say 3 plus 4 is 7, and then 7 plus 5 is 12. And there's my answer, is 12 cans. Problem number 2. Fill in the bubble next to all the double stacks you could use to find the sum. So we have 3 plus 2. So we could say 3 plus 3 minus 1, which would give us the answer, because 3 plus 3 is 6, minus 1 is 5. Or we could say 2 plus 2 plus 1, and 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Both of those give us the answer of 5. So we're going to say 2 plus 2 and 3 plus 3 are the double stacks. In this case, we're double stacked minus 1. Here, double stacks plus 1. Does the number sentence have the same difference as 14 subtract 6 equals box? Choose yes or no. Well, 14 subtract 6, if you're making a 10, 14 subtract 6 equals box. So I could say 14 subtract 4, because 6 is equal to 4 plus 2, right? So I could say 14 subtract 4, and then 2 more. So 14 subtract 4 is 10, minus 2 would give me 8. And 14 subtract 6 is 8. So 10 subtract 1 is 9. Nope, that one doesn't work. 10 subtract 2 is 8. Yes, that's the same. And then 10 subtract 3 is 7. No, that doesn't work. 10 subtract 4 is 6. No, that doesn't give us the same answer. So the correct answer is 10 minus 2 is 8, because 14 minus 6 is 8. The way that they want you to relate that is 10 minus 4, which gives you 10, minus 2 more is 8. So it's making a 10 to subtract.